Rolling right along with our Advent mini quilt, it's time for day 11. What wonderful surprise do we have today? I was waiting for this, another triangle, but this time it's a quarter of the diamond. So we're going to put 4 of these together to make our diamond block. So this will be a fun 4-patch, 2 colors variation for our mini quilt. We have our quarter diamond template. So I'm going to be using 4 of these. And I do want to use these birds again because just having them show up in one block would look kind of like a mistake. So we're going to go, and these are going to show up right and left. So I need a right and a left. Let's see where I can get some partial birds that way. I'm seeing those. So this will be my, actually, I'm double checking my diagram, and we need a one that goes this direction. So we'll get those that way. Lots of checking and double checking when you have directional prints and things that are coming into your, so that'll be a lower quadrant, and then I need, okay, so I just did that one, so then I need this right side up version. And I can do, again, I'm focused on those birds right in there. Okay, so you can see how those will lay right like that. And I'm going to come back with just my neutral for the other 2 sections. Day 11 is going to come together much faster with these bigger pieces. And again, I do want those seams to match up very nicely, so I'm going to carefully pin along that seam line, making sure that it is lined up front and back. Here is our day 11 quarter diamond block and the full set of our mini Advent diamond blocks. If you are looking for more holiday quilt patterns, check out these designs next. I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next block in our Advent mini quilt. See you soon.